In this video, we're going to show you how to set up lead tags inside of Sierra Interactive and even create categories and color code them to keep them organized. If you're a GGMS user, you have almost 250 tags that we preload into your system. If not, reach out to our team and see how we can help. Now that we're inside of Sierra Interactive, we can choose leads and then lead tags to land on the screen that we're looking at right here. There are a couple buttons in the top right of the screen. You can import tags from a partner like GGMS, or you can manage your categories or create a new tag. First, let's go to Manage Categories. On this screen, you can see all of the different tag categories along with the number of tags that are included in that category. To create a new category, we just hit the New Category button. We give it a name, such as Demo. We give it a description, Tag Demo, and then we can go ahead and set a color. So for this, we'll just grab this color here. You can also choose Custom Color if you would like. After that, let's choose Submit. We now have our Demo category. We can search for that and see it right here. Currently, there's no tags created or associated with it. If we go back out to our lead tags, we're back to the main screen that we were at before we made our category. Here, we choose Add Lead Tag. This is going to allow us to select a category. We can go down to Demo, which is the new category that we created, and we can say Test Tag. That's our new tag that we're creating, along with a test description. As soon as we chose the category, it automatically set the color for us. There are two options that you have here. You can either choose to prevent agent-level users from applying or unapplying this tag, or you can choose to prevent them from only unapplying the tag. This comes in handy for tracking and accountability purposes. After we have everything selected, we just hit Submit, and now we have created our tag. If we go back to Manage Categories and we type in Demo, you can see there's now one tag associated with Demo. That's how you create categories and create tags inside of Sierra Interactive. Again, if you're a GGMS user, we've already installed over 250 lead tags into your system so that you can get into action immediately. If you're not currently using GGMS, schedule a call with our team so we can show you how we can take your Sierra Interactive platform to the next level.